Welcome, my dear students. Today we will solve two questions from chapter 9. So, question number 9, the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50-meter high, find the height of the building. Solution: let AB is building, ये AB बिल्डिंग है, ए बी इजकल टू एक्स मीटर मान लिया, सी डी इज टावर, सी डी इजकल टू 50 मीटर, लेट ए सी इजकल टू वाई मीटर, ए सी को हमने वाई मीटर मान लिया। द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ द बिल्डिंग फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ द टावर इज इक्वल टू एंगल ए सी बी इज इक्वल टू 30 डिग्री। The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is equal to angle CAD. CAD. ये angle is equal to 60 degree. Now in right triangle ABC. AB upon AC is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side is equal to 30 degree. Now put the values. So x upon y is equal to 1 upon under root 3. This implies y is equal to under root 3x. This is equation 1. Again in right triangle ADC. So here CD upon AC. So DC upon CA is equal to CD upon AC is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side is equal to 60 degree. So now put the values. So 50 upon y is equal to under 3 upon 1. This implies under root 3 y is equal to 50. This is equation 2. On putting value of y from equation 1 in equation 2, under root 3 into under root 3x is equal to 50. 3x is equal to 50. So x is equal to 50 by 3 is equal to 16 whole 2 by 3 meter. Hence the height of the building is 16 whole 2 by 3 meter. Now we will do the next question. Question number 10. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree, respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distances of the point from the poles. Solution: let AB and CD are poles. AB and CD. AB is equal to CD is equal to x meter. AC is the road of 80 meter wide. AC रोड है जो 80 मीटर चौड़ी है या वाइड है. E is the point on the road. ये पॉइंट E रोड पर है. Let AE is equal to y मीटर. AE को हमने y मीटर मान लिया. Therefore EC is equal to AC minus AE is equal to 80 minus x meter. Now the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are angle AEB. AEB is equal to 60 degree and angle CED is equal to 30 degree. Now in right triangle ABE, अब ABE में ABE में AB upon AE. So AB upon AE is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side is equal to 60 degree. This implies x upon y is equal to under root 3 by 1 because 60 is equal to under root 3. This implies x equal to under root 3 by. This is the equation 1. Again in triangle CDE, CDE, CD upon CE. So CD upon EC is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side is equal to tan 30 degree. This implies x upon 80 minus y is equal to 1 upon under root 3, because tan 30 is equal to 1 upon under root 3 और ये वैल्यूज रख दी यहाँ पर. So this is equation 2. Now put the value of x from equation 1 in equation 2 we get. अब 1 से जो है ये x की वैल्यू इसमें रख दी इक्वेशन 2 में. सो अंडर रूट 3y अपॉन 80 माइनस y इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 3. दिस इम्प्लाइज 3y इज इक्वल टू 80 माइनस y. इनका मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया और इनका क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. दिस इम्प्लाइज 3y प्लस वाई. वाई को हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले गए. 3y प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 80. दिस इम्प्लाइज इनको ऐड कर दिया 4y इज इक्वल टू 80. दिस इम्प्लाइज y इज इक्वल टू 80 by 4 is equal to 20 meter. Now put the value of y in equation 1. Equation 1 में इसकी वैल्यू रख दी. तो x is equal to under root 3y. This implies x equal to under root 3 into 20 is equal to 20 under root 3 meter. और EC is equal to 80 minus x is equal to 80 minus 20 is equal to 60 meter. Hence, height of poles is equal to 20 under root 3 meter each. The distances of the point from the poles are 60 meter, 20 meter. इसी के साथ बेस्ट ऑफ लक. थैंक यू.